everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let us talk about a lesser known novelist this time. So he's an Indian novelist. He's called as Humayun Kabir. The time period is 1906 to 1969. So he's someone who is a very contemporary, you can say a very lesser known novelist, I must say. He's not only a novelist, but he has tried his hands in a number of different genres, in a number of different fields. So he's a political thinker per se, but he has also written some novels. And at the end, I'll show you one question, जो recently paper में आ गया था. So of course, it was a match the following question. And when you know some of the canonical writers, you can easily guess the works by this writer also. But it is my earnest request to study the lesser known writers also, because nowadays the paper is becoming more and more challenging. So he is basically a novelist who is writing in Bengali language, and a lot of works are written in Bangla only, and then they have been translated. Right, so he is Humayun Kabir. He was an Indian educationalist as well as a political thinker. He has written number of poems, essays as well as novels in Bengali language. He was a very renowned political thinker also, and he has written about a lot of philosophies that were talked by famous people like Rabindranath Tagore. And he has also written about Marxism and few other things that we will discuss. He was educated at the Exeter College in Oxford, and he graduated in 1931. He was heavily involved when he was in Oxford. So he was a part of Oxford Union also, and during his college days or student days, he was a part of the union. So he was elected as the secretary in 1930, and in 1931 as a librarian he worked there. Then of course he came back to India, and after coming back he wrote a number of works, and they became important. So Kabir published a book of poems when he was in Oxford. This came out in 1932, and he continued to write poetry as well as a number of short stories and novels when he returned to India. He also wrote essays, and he was a well-respected orator also. Okay, and he died in Kolkata in 1969. So Humayun Kabir. These are the works that he has written. So he has written works and philosophies of Immanuel Kant. He has written works about Marxism. He has written about the main theory of the literature writer Sharath Chandra Chattopadhyay. So these are the philosophical works that he has written. This work came out in 1942. Then he has written one poetry book, The Poetry of Bengal, in 1945. He has written this book called Marxism in 1951, Mirza Abu Talib Khan 1961 में आता है work, Poetry, Munads and Society 1941, Muslim Politics in Bengal 1943, and about Rabindranath Tagore he has written in 1945. These are the novels that he has written: Men and Rivers, The Unity of Indian Culture. We have Swapna Das, then we have Sathi, Ashtadasi and Nandi O Nari. These are the various novels that he has written, the first two of them being important and also being asked in your exams. I will show you the question, and with this you will understand how nowadays questions are asked in your UGC NET exam. So there is this list 1, and you have to match it with list 2. We have Humayun Kabir, Bhavani Bhattacharya, we have Manmohan Mangorkar, then we have Kamla Markandeya. So these are the people that are there, and these are the books that are given in list 2. So we have A Goddess Named Gola, then we have Men and Rivers, Compact of Shadow and Possession, and you have to match कि किस writer ने कौन सी book लिखी है, किस novel ने कौन सी novel, किस novelist ने कौन सी novel लिखी है. So these are the options that are given to you, and this is the question. So I know that you guys know the right answer, but I'll still tell you the right answer is D. How? Let us see. So A we all know will be matched with 2. अभी हमने discuss किया है that Men and Rivers is a novel that Kabir has written. Bhavani Bhattacharya, Mohan Margonkar and Kamla Markandeya. Now we know Kamla Markandeya is the most important one of them, and every one of us must have read her. And we know Possession is the work that she has written, a very, very important work. And then C, so we already have the right answer, A with 2 and B with 1. So we know the right answer, but let us see कि C and D के answers क्या हैं. So C with 3. C with 3, Mohan has written work called as Compact of Shadows, a very important work. I want you to read the summary of these two works, Possession as well as Compact of Shadow. They are important works. In my classes, we'll be discussing summaries and we'll be discussing important characters. But here I can only guide you to read more about these works. Then we have Bhavani Bhattacharya, again a very, very important writer. I have already made a video on him. You can refer to that video. In my class, we will study him in greater detail. So we have A Goddess Named Gola, the work by by Bhavani Bhattacharya, right? So this is how you can solve the question. You can use elimination techniques. You have to study in detail about the lesser known writers as well. So Humayun kabhi bhi pehle nahi puche gaye the, but you know that these writers who are belonging to the vernacular languages and they have been translated in English, or maybe their important works that have been translated can also be asked. So pay more focus to these things as well. I hope you liked the video. If you still have any doubts, you can ask me that in the comment section and I'll surely reply to you. Thank you.